so here is the pine tree, and I'm looking to follow it going that way. And when I look and determine that, I'm looking at the branches here, and you can see you've got some big ones coming out this way and this way, and it looks like it just kind of wants to go that way. So I'm going to try to set it down kind of right in line with that tree there. Maybe a little to the left of it, kind of right down this path here. Yeah, always stressful. Always stressful at this point. Alright, no time to get in a hurry at this point. I've got the a little bit winded here. I may have dulled my chain a little bit going through this hollow tree. As I was going down through there, all of a sudden I hit mud and nasty dirt inside of a hollow tree. So I think I'm going to go ahead and take the time now to sharpen my chain and just make sure that it's cutting to where it needs to be cutting to come through this thing. And I'm going to go through and mark where I want my cut to come through. I'm just going to mark a little bit above, and the area that I want to stay out of here is right here at this holding wood. So I'll mark a path around and leave myself that little spot of deadwood there, like that I want to keep my saw blade out of. So, okay, let's check out our chainsaw blade here. It was not cutting well through that last little bit of wood. Yeah, now it's dulled. I'm going to sharpen it up here. Yeah, we were dull as dull could be there. Whew, so stressful. Well, yeah, the 20-inch bar was just enough to get all the way through to this point here. I saw it coming through on the other side. I had my wedge set in the back of it here. You can see I had about 1.5 inches, 2 inches of hinge wood, and as I saw that tree starting to move, I made the rest of the way with the chainsaw. Whew! That's fun. It's fun. All right. Well, I guess I'll go ahead and get some of the branches and stuff off of this. I've got to buck it up into a couple sections, and then I'll be able to get. I'll probably bring the caterpillar back down through here to get it a little bit more leveled out. Yeah, the main problem with that front cut was my chain got just super dulled, and as I got into that back cut with a freshly sharpened chain, it went a lot smoother. But oh man, there's nothing like that adrenaline rush. Woo! Well guys, that's going to be it for today on Man Time. Saw me take down the big pine tree today. Got sweaty, got dirty, threw some chips on myself. Feels good. It feels really good to get out in the outdoors and be a man. Running this old Stihl 50-year-old chainsaw, nothing quite like it. Get out there and do the same, guys. Have you some man time too. See you next time.